Welcome everybody. My name is Sonia Dimova. I am coming from Agency for Real Estate Katastar, Republic of Macedonia. On the beginning of my presentation, I would like to say something about the Agency for Real Estate Katastar. This institution was established in 2008 according to the law on real estate Katastar for establishment and maintenance of geodetic cadastral information system, as well as for maintenance and public access to the NSDI. The agency is the legal successor of the State Geodetic Authority, which was established in 1947. Relationship between the agency and NSDI coming from the law for real estate Katastar, namely in chapter 14, in several articles are regulated this area. First, NSDI steps in Macedonia starting in 2010, when was organized 3 workshops, and continue in 2011 and 2012 in frame of the project supporting of production of an NSDI strategy. The activity during the building the NSDI strategy was ongoing in 2 levels, in frame of the AREC working group, and a second level is interministerial working group. Work stream of the strategy cover 38 documents. All of these documents are available on our webpage on Macedonian and English language, and is divided in 7 components. This is define a strategic mission and vision, build business case, third is define a governance structure, fourth is legal framework, 5 is interoperability infrastructure, then we have component of outreach and capacity building, and last is component for NSDI implementation roadmap. General NSDI principles are encourage the access, sharing, use and distribution of standardized spatial data and services, maximize the use of the spatial data, offer necessary protection for the interest of data owners, and develop in line with legislation from the European Commission Inspire Directive. Regarding to the legal framework, on the beginning of the project was planned to produce 3 documents. There are transposition of the Inspire Directive, production of NSDI law, and production of data sharing agreement. After finishing the legal framework, results is next. First, two issues are joined into one, and we have NSDI draft law, including Inspire Directive, and several regulation. Regarding to the NSDI, in frame of the project was realized 1 investigation, namely the total compliant with Inspire are divided in 7 steps. First is existing digital data stored on the PC. Second is data for internal use. Third is store the data in one database. Then next is existing web services. Then we have metadata, discovery, and last one is total compliance with Inspire. The target of this investigation was 6 institutions. There are City of Skopje, Center for Crisis Management, Agency for Spatial Planning, Ministry of Agriculture, Forest and Water Management, Ministry of Environment and Spatial Planning, and Agency for Real Estate Katastar, and several data which are obligation of this institution. The results from the investigation are shown on the slide, and we can see that only 2 institutions have web services. This is City of Skopje and Agency for Real Estate Katastar, but no one institution have metadata. At the end of the presentation, I can conclude that NSDI strategy is a comprehensive document of high quality, that the Inspire Directive is fully implemented in draft NSDI law, forthcoming adoption of NSDI strategy by the government of Macedonia, follow-up activity which are connected with finalizing the draft NSDI law and establish of governance structure, and last is developing metadata and production of metadata. Thank you for your attention.